Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Chemistry Made Simple for NEET, and this is Dr. Radha Subramaniam with another excellent session for NEET preparation tricks, thermodynamics and thermochemistry, and here we are going to solve a few questions which had come for previous years NEET exam. So it is absolutely necessary that you have to practice all these questions so that you will be finding the exams really easy how to solve chemistry sums with using various tricks and within a short time. So without wasting time, we will move on to the first question. So what is the first question? The bond dissociation energies of X2, Y2 and XY are in the ratio of 1:0.5:1, and delta H for the formation of XY is minus 200 kilojoule per mole, and the bond dissociation energy of X2 will be. So this question had come for NEET 2018. So what all details are given in the question? So it says that bond dissociation energies of X2, Y2 and XY are, it is given in the ratio 1:0.5:1. Okay. So first of all, what you should write, and options are for the answers are 200, 100, 800 and 400. So first of all, we will write the equation X2 plus Y2 giving 2XY. Okay. So here bond dissociation enthalpy of X2 is A. So since this is 1 mole, this is A, and that of Y2, it is only half of that of X2. So we will take that as A by 2, and for 2XY, for XY it is A, so 2XY means it is 2XY means it is 2A moles. So A for X2 and Y2 A by 2 and 2XY, that is 2A. Understood why it is like that? See here 1:1/2. So the same here 1, here half of that 8 by 2, but if it was only XY here, we could have taken it as A, but since you see here it is 2XY, we should take it as 2A moles. Okay, now you know there is an equation to find delta H, which is equal to bond dissociation enthalpy of reactants minus bond dissociation energy of enthalpy of products. So what are the reactants here? X2 and Y2. So A plus A by 2, just substitute it here, minus bond dissociation energy of products will be 2A. So A plus A by 2 minus 2A, which will be equal to A minus 2A can be written as minus A plus A by 2, which is equal to minus A by 2. Okay, let it be there. Now let us see that in the question it is given that delta H for the formation of XY is minus 200 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so for formation of XY, 1 mole is minus 200. So here how many moles we are getting? 2 moles we are getting here, clear? So what will you do here? For 1 mole it is minus 200, so how much it is for 2 moles? So just cross multiply, you get minus 400. Now it is easy that you can equate these two and solve the equation, that is minus 400 is equal to minus A by 2, then minus and minus sign you can cancel it. So you can take it as 400 is equal to A by 2, and A is equal to multiply 400 into 2, 800, which is the third option. Third option is the correct one. So whenever you get questions like that, you can solve it very easily within a few seconds. Okay, now moving on to the next question. See the what question we have got here. For a given reaction, delta H is given 35.5 kilogram per mole, and then here this is 83.6. okay, delta S is 83.6 joule K raised to minus 1 mole per mole. So the reaction is spontaneous. So the reaction can be, it can be assumed that delta S and delta H do not vary with temperature. So this question had come for 2017 NEET examination, and what are the choices here? T greater than 425 Kelvin all temperature, T greater than 298 Kelvin and T less than 425 Kelvin. So here for the given reaction, delta H is given and two values are given here. So first of all we can take the equation delta G, that is first of all remember to write delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. So, here just see it is a spontaneous reaction, okay. So, a condition for a reaction to be spontaneous means delta G should be negative, that means delta G should be less than 0. See, only if it is less than 0 it becomes negative, right. So, what we can write here, since delta G is negative, you can also say that delta H minus T delta S is less than 0, okay. So, now what you can do, you take this T delta S to the other side, so that you get delta H is less than T delta S, okay. Now, we can bring T from T delta S, you just bring delta S alone to the left side, so that you get only, see why are you bringing and rearranging all these things, only then you can get the equation in our whatever format we need, in the desired format. To change it like that only we are rearranging the terms and writing, okay, clear, okay. Now, delta H by delta S is less than T. Now, what all values are given here, delta H is given, delta S is also given, okay. So, here I want to tell you one important thing, all students, you know what they do, immediately they will just take this ratio and solve for the answer, but see the trick here, it is one is given in kilogram and one is just without it. So, you have to convert it, see delta H is given as kilogram per mole, you have to convert it, that is joule per. So, 35.5 into 10 to the power of 3, you have to convert that, only then these two will be in the same unit. See here 83 delta S is 83.6 joule per K per mole. Here also you have to change it as joule per K per mole. So, that is why you are multiplying delta H value into 10 to the power of 3. Okay. Now, it is easy. How will you substitute it? 35.5 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by 83.6. When you calculate it, you will get around 425. So, what does it mean? 425 is less than T. So, how can you write the answer? T is greater than 425 Kelvin. So, that is the correct option. A will be the correct answer. Hope you understood this clearly, and if such questions come for the exam, I hope you can do this with very highly, you will have that confidence within you. If you practice a lot of sums, see the only way to do or solve all these sums is to practice it well. Without practicing it, you won't remember the tricks or ideas. So, every week you just try to practice the tricks. Many tricks have tried to include the important questions from the previous year NEET exams and all. I am doing this for you. Just try to practice it. Okay. Now, as always I say, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Chemistry Made Simple for NEET. I will be soon coming up with more such excellent tricks and lessons from NCERT, and also mind maps and many other useful news and interviews for you. And with that, we are coming to an end of this session, and we all will meet very soon. Thanks for watching my video.